Republic Act 10157, the Kindergarten Education Act. Section 10, Separability Clause. If any provision of this act is held invalid or unconstitutional, the same shall not affect the validity and effectivity of the other provision hereof. So, meaning to say, separability clause is a legal provision that states that if any part of the contract or law is found to be invalid or unenforceable, the rest of the contract or law is still remain in effect. For example, a contract between two parties may have a separability clause that states that if one part of the contract is found to be illegal, the rest of the contract will still valid. This means that the parties can still be held accountable for the parts of the contract that are legal and enforceable. Section 11. Repealing Clause. Pertinent provision of all other laws, decrees, executive orders, and rules and regulations contrary to or inconsistent with the provision of this act are hereby repealed or modified accordingly. It means repealing clause is a part of a law that cancels or revokes a previous law. It is a statutory provision that repeals an earlier statute. Section 12. Effectivity Clause. This act shall take effect 15 days after its publication in the official gazette or into newspaper of general circulation. It is approved by Juan Ponce Enrile, the President of Senate, Feliciano Belmonte Jr., Speaker of the House of Representatives. This act, which originated in the House of Representatives that finally passed by the House of Representatives and the Senate on November 23, 2011 and November 21, 2011, respectively, by Ima Lerio Reyes, Secretary of the Senate, Marilyn B. Barrio Yap, Secretary General, House of Representatives, approved January 20, 2012 by Benigno Aquino III, President of the Philippines.